So pretty much an update of what I have done with all the wiring. It looks pretty clean though, way better than before. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So today's video, pretty much we're gonna recap whatever we left up yesterday. As you guys know from the previous video, I brought the whole harness through the chassis. By the kick panels, there was a little hole over there that the harness was going through. So I was be able to bring it in from that opening. So here's the harness. This is the harness that we pull in, right? I pretty much laid it down on top of the crash bar. This is the factory crash bar where the dash is sit on. So I pretty much use some zip tie, right, just to lay it down. You know, try to make it look a little more organized, so I could just start working on all this wiring that I have here. So pretty much all these wires over here is all the hard wire that I was trying to wire with the Speedo and with the tag back in the days when I started the swap. So I won't be needing this anymore. And also I'm gonna be deleting a whole bunch of stuff, like for example like these plugs over here. This one is for the headlight switch. Now this one, I don't know what it is. It wasn't plugged already, so, and all this, it wasn't plugged already, so I guess I won't need it anymore. There's actually a lot of stuff that I don't need. For example, the radio stuff I don't really need. I'm just gonna hide that. I don't know, maybe I'm gonna end it up like selling the chassis, someone else can use it. Also another thing that I wanna do today is separate and organize all the ground and power wire from all the gauges. So since we're gonna be using a distribution block, it's gonna be a lot cleaner and simple like that. And also I wanted to put this wire back together. This is all the stuff that I split out from the harness. This is crazy. If I would have known from the beginning, I want to chop this up, man. This is triple the work. Put this in here. You guys know it's that time of the year. Damn crazy. Started to snow again. Ooh. And I just cleaned all this. Actually snowing pretty heavy today. Just received some parts today. Another part from Toyota. This is actually, I think, is the tensioner pulley. Whoops. Yep, there you go. And this is, whoa. Here's the part number if you guys need. 13050-46041. And this is the belt tensioner. Now this is not for the 17 belt. This is for your timing belt, guys. Just go right onto over here. Boom. It's kind of dark now. And also here's the bearing. This is for the 17 belt pulley. $10. Can go wrong with them. It's brand new too. Oop. Did I just one-handed? Yes, I did. It's kind of hard holding the camera, so see, brand new, no play or anything, which is good. So probably gonna press that one out. Oh, where did it go? I don't know, put it somewhere. So we're gonna press the old one out and we're gonna press that new one in. Whew, it's kind of cold today. Alright, so pretty much here's all the wiring. This is the cluster harness, right? Made it look a little better. I separated all the gauges, right? This is the, I think it's air and fuel ratio. Somewhere, this is my boost controller control. This is the water temp and this is the oil temp. And also I separated all the ground wires and also positive wires, right? Because I'm gonna be adding a distribution block, so it's one of each, positive and negative. It looks pretty legit and organized now, better than before. Look at all that. Look at all that stuff that I cut out. My God, so dirty. Well, I gotta put all this back together. And then after that, I think I'm gonna mess with all that stuff over there. That's gonna be a lot of fun.